Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In my last video, we were watching that the price line of Bitcoin formed a big falling wedge pattern, and at the same time, it also formed a descending triangle on the small time frame 4-hourly chart. And in today's video, we will try to analyze whether the price action will break down the support of this descending triangle or it will break out the resistance and continue its rally towards the upside. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then you can find the link I've shared in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, first of all, let me show you this falling wedge pattern that has been formed on the daily time frame chart, and we can see that the price action was moving between the resistance and the support of this falling wedge. At the same time, the price action also formed this rising wedge pattern as well. If I place this trend line, that will be more clear and visible for you to watch. And here the price action broke down the support of the rising wedge. This was the support, and so far it is moving sideways. So this was the fake out. So far we can see that the price line did not move down to the target of this rising wedge pattern. That was the support of, that was this tail of this rising wedge. That is exactly where we have the support of the falling wedge as well. And from here, if the price action, for example, if it will be moved at this support, then we can have a powerful bullish reversal, because this falling wedge pattern is considered as a bullish reversal pattern. And on the other hand, the rising wedge pattern was considered as a bearish reversal, and the price action broke down the support of this rising wedge. But so far we can see that the price line is moving sideways, and for so many previous days it is moving at the resistance of this falling wedge and trying to break out this resistance again and again, and so far the price line is not able to break out this resistance. But remember, the more the price line will make attempts to break out the resistance, the more there will be chances that the price action can break out the resistance. And if we count the candlesticks, that how many candlesticks have made the attempts to break out this resistance of this falling wedge, then we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 candlesticks have attempted to break out this resistance of the candle at this resistance of the falling wedge. And for so many previous days, the price line is still moving at the resistance. So at any time the price line can break out the resistance. However, if it will be moved more down, then it can re-enter in a very, very strong support zone that is starting from $31,000 and goes up to $28,800. And we can see that whenever the price line is moving in this zone, we are having very powerful bullish reversal towards the upside, like we can see here, we can see here, and we can see here as well. And here we have a powerful reversal, and if the price line will move down here, then it can even break out this resistance of the falling wedge as well. And you can see that wicks of the candlesticks are showing that bears are very, very weak at this level, that is from $31,000 to $28,800. And on the smaller time frame, we are still moving within this descending triangle. And you can see here the price action entered in this triangle and moving between the resistance and the support of this triangle. And here for a while the price action today broke out the resistance of the triangle. But if we watch the volume, that was still very, very weak. Therefore the price line was not having any strong support of the volume, and the price line moved back inside this descending triangle again, and it is moving down to retest this support of the triangle. Now if it will be reached at the support, and that is approximately at $32,500 or $600, and from here it can after that it can even break down, or it will be moved up. If it will break down the support, then definitely it can retest this support of the falling wedge, and from here we can expect another powerful bullish reversal. However, if the price action will break out the resistance, it will be reverse bullish, then our next target in case of breakout can be approximately, if we place this trend line here, then our next target can be approximately $37,600 if we will have a breakout from this point. So at this time, the volume is still not supporting any kind of breakdown or breakout, and so far we have so many fake outs towards the downside. Whenever the price line is breaking down any pattern, then it is not hitting the targets, the sell targets of that pattern. For example, recently we have seen the price action broke down the resistance, the support of the rising wedge pattern, but did not reach at the tail of that rising wedge that was approximately at $28,800, and it is still moving sideways. And before that, even we have witnessed so many examples like that. The price action is not hitting the targets, the bearish targets, after breaking down the different triangles or different patterns, and even after breaking out, the price action is not hitting the targets. For example, here we also had another fake out, and the price action is re-entered in this triangle again. Now we can have a further zigzag move between this resistance and support of this triangle. For example, if this move will be continued, then if I place this measurement tool from this current candlestick up to this end of this triangle, then we can see that we have 33 more candlesticks. That is telling us 5 days and 12 hours more the price action can move within this triangle. However, it is quite squeezed at this time, therefore at any time it can break out or break down. So this is a decision making time for the price action, and still we are not having the volume profile support in favor of bears. For example, if I again place this volume profile on the complete price action moving here, then we can see that it is showing the traders' interest is very weak in this level. Below this level, the traders' interest is very, very weak. Therefore, whenever the price line is moving in this area, it is moving towards the upside to this point of control of the volume profile. And whenever it is moving here, because to the upside, it is showing very weak interest of the traders here. And whenever the price line is moving in this area, you can see that the price action is moving back to this point of control of the volume profile. So this time the point of control of the volume profile is above the resistance of this falling wedge. Therefore, now if the price action will move towards this point of control of the volume profile, then it can also break out this resistance of the falling wedge as well. But we will need a volume, like we had a powerful buying volume here, or we also had the sell volume here. We will need a powerful buying volume in order to have a successful breakout. And for any kind of breakdown, we also need a powerful sell volume as well. For example, at this time we are having rejection by this resistance, but there is not a powerful sell volume that is supporting any kind of breakdown towards the downside. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.